Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how our team here at ThoughtfulGPT does competitive research on other products that we're really curious about that might be relevant to what we're building here within our team. And so this is actually a little bit of a deeper dive, not only into our Zapier integration, but also into our macro language that allows you and your team to steer the AI as it gathers really crucial context for the task. In this case, we're going to show off our grab command, which is a command that allows you to go reference an external link, have the AI read the link, do something with it, whether it be summarize it, create a list, and then take that link into deeper stages of the process that you'd want to delegate to the AI. And so with that, I'm going to share my screen. You can see here, this is the starting point of the Zap integration. We're going to call this our Slack competitive research to the Guppy project that we have that's built on the ThoughtfulGPT API. And so I'm going to go ahead and pick the trigger, which is Slack. And we actually have a channel that's filled with competitive research. And so we're going to just test this channel, make sure that we'll be able to pull in a message. Here is a link to a message that I posted in there a few, I think, hours ago, actually. And it looks like it's working. And so now the next step is to factor in the macro that we'd want to run and configure the ThoughtfulGPT side of things. So we'll set up the account, click continue. And now is where we delegate a little bit more strategy to the AI. We're going to use our smart macro command called grab. We're going to add in the text from the message. We're actually going to use Zapier's formatting step, which will extract the link from the message and give it to us in a plain HTTPS link, which is what you need to make the grab command run smoothly. And so we'll just test this really quickly. Okay, looks like the output's good. And so now that we know that that is working, we'll go back to our macro action. So we want to grab this link and then provide a summary so we can brainstorm how Guppy AI differentiates from the project that's referenced. We're also going to pick the model called Claude, which is my favorite model of choice these days, as well as tie that into our brainstorming macro, which runs a little bit more of a rigid process in terms of how we want that context to be handled. Last but not least, we want to post that back into Slack so that any of the links that get shared into that channel get enriched with real life ideas to spark creativity across not only our marketing processes, but also our product and engineering processes. In this case, because I'm feeling creative, I want to send this as me, and I'm going to skip the bot names. We don't need a link to the Zap. All of this we can skip as well. And the last piece is just to tack on the thread ID so it knows where to reply into the message if there's other messages that can come through before the bot can fully handle the process. So now we're going to go ahead and click continue. I'm going to test this step to make sure it's working. And our last step is to make sure that it's there where we want it to be in Slack. So you can see we've got a summary as well as some brainstorming ideas that I've asked the AI for help with. And all that's left is to save and publish the Zap. So it's running on autopilot anytime anybody puts a bit of competitive intel into that channel. Hope this sparks some ideas for some of your own AI innovations. If there's any ways we can help, please let us know. Hit us up at thoughtfulgpt.com or support@thoughtfulgpt.com. Thanks so much. Bye.